Hey everyone, it's Lori with Farmhouse Stencil Shop. In this video, I am just going to be stenciling some little blocks. I have a cute little primitive stencil set that I want to share with you. So I thought it would be nice to make little blocks and just use that stencil set. So I am going to paint the background of my blocks. I'm going to be using this cream color shade, and then I'm going to be using a barn red shade and then just a black. When you're making these little blocks, you don't have to paint really perfect. I just kind of wipe on my paint and I don't even get it all the way to the edge because I am going for a primitive look anyways, and I am going to be sanding these. Now I have my little boards all painted, so I am going to do the stenciling. So I'm just dabbing in some black paint and I'm going to just stencil on the letters. The size of these boards are 2x6 boards, and the stencils are actually 2 inches by 4 inches. So I want you to notice while I'm stenciling that I will be getting a couple of bleeds that I'm going to have to fix. So just watch out for that. On this thankful block, I got a couple of bleeds, as you can see on the K and the F. So I am just going to take the black paint and just fix those little spots. So once I'm done, you won't even be able to tell that I got a couple of bleeds. For the red and black blocks, I'm using the cream colored paint to do the letters. Right after I'm done stenciling, I'm going to go ahead and paint the bridges. If you get any bleeding when you're painting and you have a black background, it's really easy to fix those bleeds with the black paint. I got a couple small bleeds on this Simplify block. So after I'm done painting the bridges, I'm going to go back and I'm going to use the black paint and I'm going to fix those, and you won't even be able to tell that they're there. I just want to say that if you're new to stenciling or you have never stenciled before and you would like to, you should give it a try because it's actually really fun and it can be really rewarding, and it's not hard at all. And once you get used to it, it is so easy to make all kinds of cute little signs. Okay, we're back to this little Simplify block. I'm going to take the black paint and I'm going to fix up the spots that I messed up. So I just wanted to slow the video down so you can see what I'm doing. I just took some black paint on a fine tip brush and I'm just going to paint over the areas where the paint bled under the stencil. And that happened because I was rushing. I was really going quick and I didn't offload enough paint off of my sponge. So I kind of got a little messy, but no worries. It's really easy to fix, and that is all I had to do. Now that I'm done stenciling, I'm going to take my little sander and I'm going to sand around all the edges of my blocks just to clean them up. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take some stain and I'm going to stain over my blocks, the front side and the back side. I'm just going over the whole block and I'm wiping the stain on and wiping it off really, really good. If you leave the stain too thick, it will take a long time to dry. For the last part of this video, I'm just going to take some homespun thread and make some little bows on each of the ends of my signs. So I purposely had the blocks cut to 6 inches by 2 inches so I could tie little bows on the ends and make them look really cute. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments.